Hello and welcome to a tutorial.
As soon as you turn the Xbox 360 on, has this ever happened to you? The red ring. I know it's annoying. But please, don't get frustrated because we have a solution for all of your problems.
Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix the red ring of death for Xbox 360.
Okay, so now what you do is turn the Xbox 360 over, gently brush your hands on the air side where the air comes out of, I don't know what it's called, the vent, and now take off the lever for the vent. Pretty easy. Now there should be a hard drive there. As you can see, mine is already out, but check just in case. And do the same thing. Take off the rest of the parts. Easy. Flip it over and do the same on the other side. Now you want to do the same, or not really the same, you just want to take the front little button, disconnect it easy, and disconnect the buttons on the front. Okay, as you can see, there are 5 nails. Now what you need to do is unscrew them. Get a screwdriver and unscrew it. As you see, I had to get a different screwdriver because mine wasn't big enough. Okay, now just gently pop that off. Bada bing, bada boom. Very easy. Do the same thing. Easy. Oh, gently. There we go. Now, it is a bit dirty. It has dust in it. I recommend to use a vacuum cleaner to get all the dust out. This next one is very challenging. Please be careful.
It's fucked, alright? You can't fix it. It's fucked. You can't fix the red ring of death. You can't. It's over. Alright? Just gotta put it out of its misery. It's fucked, alright? It's fucked. It's fucked. Thank you for watching this video. Click here to subscribe for more content like this. And here, why not watch another video? Thank you, subscribe, be safe out there, and watch more tutorials like this. Hopefully this helped. Bless everyone. See you in the next one.